We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We didn't just invent the worm drive. We invented the SKILSAW. We've built our reputation on the cut, and now we're putting it all on the table. The world's first full-size table saw with worm drive gearing. So the question is, with all this power and performance, what will you bring to the table? SKILSAW, heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand.
The new FET Table Saw is the result of a systematic further development of its proven predecessor, the FKSE. A tungsten carbide blade is also used with this model. The height of the saw blade can be adjusted, and it can also be pivoted through 45 degrees. This enables the achievement of precise and strange cuts ranging from 1 to 22 millimeters in depth, while even miter and double miter cuts can be realized without the need for finishing work. Every kind of wood can be machined, and the saw even tackles non-ferrous metals or plastics such as ABS, perspex, glass fiber reinforced plastics, and foam without difficulty. This versatility makes the FET an indispensable tool for model and die construction along with areas such as toy manufacturing. Decisive advantages are also gained through the finely adjustable, precise and stable longitudinal stop. When the work in hand is not so precise, it can be simply pushed into the desired position and secured with a Tommy screw. The clearly legible scale is helpful in this case. And for very accurate work, the position of the longitudinal stop can be corrected by 1/10 of a millimeter. When adjusted in conjunction with the saw blade inclination, the miter fence even allows cutting of double miters. And should you need to machine a larger quantity of parts of the same size with the same angle, the aluminium strip with adjustable limit stop is a very helpful aid. This is simply pushed onto the miter fence and secured in the desired position. And where workpieces are a little longer than usual, simply pull out the table extension with its auxiliary stop. This can then be easily locked in position with a knurled screw. The surface milled, die-cast aluminium table can be pivoted upwards with the drive like an engine bonnet and locked into position to facilitate cleaning and easy changing of the saw blade. Another practical feature is the dust extractor adapter, to which a vacuum cleaner can be attached to prevent sawdust from entering into the machine's interior. This is highly recommended for all work with the saw. Naturally enough, we can also provide you with a suitable vacuum cleaner. We recommend our quiet and powerful CW-matic compact workshop vacuum cleaner. Proxxon's range of accessories includes an entire series of saw blades for the most varied applications and materials.